Menteri ketenak Jngohkai pertai ke jelau ba apol lengdo hak arpu pratering unailar arajar arpusau. Haba jubab ya kejingnya tai ke belengkot. Ulu ong budan ya katong ban penelong ya kejela kum kejaka ke bakongsan hak akam Jngohkai pertai. Ulu ong ba ketenak Jngohkai ke lebo ya katong ban bu hak kerdan ya kejela kum kejaka ke bakongsan ke ban Kyntiew penek pensa bat kakam Jngohkai pertai ke berani ke jingkit klik ke ban Aijam mentoi kinong wan Jngohkai bat digisnong kithauru. Ulang bagi Sorkar kan Kyntiew ki kampen roy jung kakam Jngohkai perthai kum kalat bantau ki jing Aikam ban Kyntiew kayo kakot bat ki jing im jing nong shong shnong uba poleng do ulang bagi kakam Jngohkai ke kalat Aikam bat ke ban penyar ya ke jing Aikam Aijam ke badan ru ka kabu ban long kawai ni kita ban nok senyang syak kayo kakot ulang bagi Sorkar keladap ban itu ke jing dan kam bantau ya ke jing tai ke bakongsan ki jaka ke ladon lupa bat ki bat hemai bat ban penlong ya ke Meghalaya kum kejaka ke bakongsan ke bandan ki adventure tourism, experiential tourism, bat cultural tourism. Unu Menteri Sorkar ulang beladap ban penwandor ke jing temu ban penmi ke jing don tang na ke bahak tengka jong ke Sorkar jela. Nrewat na ki skim jong ke Sorkar pedeng bat ki externally aided projects.
More facilities and close coordination with the tour operator that we have, different associations in our state who connect, who bridge the gap between the tourists and different stakeholders in our state. So, more intervention need to be done because directly and indirectly, tourism sector, it has a connection where we should have a better road facilities to all tourist spots, to all tourist destinations within the state, because tourists, they will reluctant to go if the condition of the road is bad. So the road has to be in good condition. Better airport facility, the Shillong Airport at Umroi, it has to be looked into where big aircraft can land, and it will facilitate more tourist flow within the state.
If we look at positively, yes, by doing that, it will create job opportunity to many people, and many people will buy cars to run in the state of Meghalaya, especially to reach to all the tourist destinations. But there are problems also here, and if we look at negatively, we will see that we are disturbing the people who come from outside, and this may cause up to the extent that people will not like to come to Meghalaya. So we have to deal this very seriously, and we have to discuss with all the stakeholders of the state, especially people who are dealing with tourism activities, to understand better how to go about it. But I have one submission, sir, here, and I want to talk here about the safety of tourists. Let us think nicely. The need to ensure that the tourists coming to the state of Meghalaya feel safe.
So I think the government tourism should explore the connectivity between the Maukenreu area and Amlarem area. If the land is available, because it takes only hardly 5-6 kilometers the connection, the missing link. Only the bridge over the river Ungot is a bit problem. But if land is available, then I think that will create a very huge potential for develop both this Maukenreu, Nongkrem area and that Amlarem area. And number 3, sir, developing of cable car and roadway. Yes, the government have initiated the developing of cable car for so long, and I don't know the status of the cable car which long time back is pending in the Pen Ursula area. So this, if we could see and revive it, this will make a boom to the tourists who are coming into the state. Number 4, sir, we can tap many tourists from Bangladesh. Hundreds of them, they are coming every day. Of course, now the situation is different, but we should tap the tourist potential of the Bangladesh people. So one important thing which is missing is that the good facilities at Dauki area. So I request the tourism department to look into establishing a good infrastructure in that Dauki area so that the tourists from Bangladesh whether they come for short term or long duration, they can come and use that place for the purposes.